Lucas Jenny. He's actually going down by his gear shift, and I know he's probably trying to work on a wire to get that started. They thought maybe he was bent and hunched over because he was injured. He wasn't, and that's why the officials had made a stop. He actually was just working on the vehicle from inside. The guys have those extra switches and stuff inside some of these trucks, and that's what he was doing. He was just leaning down underneath the dashboard. So he's going to be able to refire. We are down to the final four with the better bow tie, bad attitude, Mr. Chevy, and the 26N of Austin Noggle. We go 3, 2, 1, go! So number 26 and Austin Noggle out. That'll give him that fourth. And then the better bow tie, third, leaving Mr. Chevy and bad attitude as our final two. Back into spot, back into place. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Second place, Mr. Chevy, Alan Sweeney. And third place goes to Lucas Jenny in the better bow tie. Fourth place to the 26N of Austin Noggle. And look at these guys. That's sportsmanship right there. Some really good hits out of all these guys. Give them all a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. That is the truck class. And our Angry Beaver Award goes to Mr. Chevy. Alan Sweeney, who took second place, gets the Angry Beaver Award.